Marie hates it when I film like that. Oh man, this thing is awesome. Man, this thing is fast. Whoa! Woo! But I only have an hour, so let's keep going. So the reason why I got this motorcycle in the first place, I woke up the other day and I had this idea to go around the world on an electric motorcycle. Kind of like Hune and Charlie did on the long way up. I love those guys, really. They are so amazing. Man, this thing pulls. So cool, really. It really feels amazing. Unfortunately, they are so expensive. They're like 20,000 euro. Oh boy. So I wrote an email to this company that builds those things, and they were super nice, but they are also so not interested in providing me with a motorcycle. I get it. I mean, the channel is not so big yet. Or maybe they just don't like my videos, or maybe they also don't think the bike can do it. I mean, the range on this thing is not really great. It has like 150 kilometers. I think the range also depends on the way you're driving it. In sport mode, I don't think you get that far as you would in eco mode. But 150 kilometers could be enough a day. Could be enough. Color, I don't know. It's not so amazing. Maybe they have this thing in red. That would be awesome. Let's keep going. This is so quiet, this thing. It's just amazing. There's no shifting. And you have immediate torque that is just insane, really. Wow. Just makes you smile. This thing is awesome. You can also go on track a little bit. Just not too much, but... Did you know that the average YouTuber makes about €1.50 per 1,000 views? So you can do the math yourself on how long I would have to save up for the 20,000 euro for this motorcycle here, brand new. So my hour is up, I think. I have to bring this bike back to the shop. It was a fun test drive, even though I must say it's not the most comfiest seating position. And compared to my Honda, it's very, very hard. But yeah, I guess you can adjust all this. So let me know, guys, is it worth me getting heavily into debt to buy one of those? Or not? It's like riding a bicycle. No sound whatsoever. And I like the idea of just plugging it in, really. Just plugging in, charging it up, and go again. Wow, 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 wow. So that's it for now, guys. Just a quick brainstorm with you about this idea. Boy, this bike sounds like it comes right out of the future. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, that is important. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully on the Honda. Cheers!
Der gewünschte Gesprächspartner antwortet.
So I guess no news on the Honda for you guys. I will have her back one day, for sure.